In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online without any investment. All you need is a mobile device, Android or Apple. You can play video games and you're going to give an opinion about that video games and you're going to get paid for that. This is a simple way to make money online. It is new. This website is completely new and it is work worldwide. All you need is the internet and a microphone and any mobile device or tablet is enough to make money online. This website is called playtestcloud.com, where you're going to test or play video games and you're going to get paid for that. The video gaming company or the mobile gaming company, what they do is they develop a game and give it to this website to test it out and get a customer opinion before they post it on App Store, guys. So all you have to do is click this one called Become a Tester and you're going to test a game and you're going to get paid for that. In average, you get paid around $15 every 10 minutes that you are playing video games. All you need is, I'm going to walk you through how you can do that and how you can make money from it. So click this one called Become a Tester. Again guys, before I show you how to register and what step you have to follow to make money online, show your support by liking this video, leave a comment what kind of video that I want to make in the future. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. So after you click Become a Tester, it will take you to this page. Here that you can see, all you have to do is fill this form. Put your email address, your name, and what kind of game that you are playing or you like. So for example, for me, I like Call of Duty. So when you put this ones, so they will know what kind of game they want to target you. So put as much as game you play or you like. Also, if you never play any games, search it online, which is the famous games, or you can put the initial word like A, then you could bring all the 11 games on A, an alphabet. You find the one, add a couple of them here. After that, you need to select which device that you are on. Your Apple device or Android or other devices. So I own Apple, so you can select which device that you are on, like Samsung A50 or Samsung Galaxy, or Samsung Note, whatever. You can search that device and select that device from here. After that, what you're going to do, you're going to select the country that you are living in, which country that you are living in, and you're going to put a gender and the date of birth, and you're going to agree these both things. But here it's the important part. So how do I become a tester, which I show you? What is the playtest test cloud, which I already explained to you guys. So what device can I test it on? You can test it on any Android device or any iOS devices, and you can see how much money that you can make is depend on the games, guys. But again, you can see in average you can spend 10 to 15 minutes and you can make around $10 for playing video games, guys. How you gonna get paid? You're gonna get paid through PayPal, only the one payment method. So basically what you're gonna do after you join with this website, they're gonna give you a qualification test. So this is unpaid. All you have to do is when you receive an email, which I'm going to show you now, this is the email going to look like. You're going to click this one button here. You're going to install a video recording software in your phone. It should be Android or Apple phone. What happens is when you receive an testing games, you usually receive an email. You open that email, click test now. That recording software automatically record we are playing games. All you have to do is when the gaming launch, you speak out loud whatever that come to your mind, whatever the good thing about the games, what you don't like about the games, all the things that come to your mind, speak out loud. What happens is after the gaming ended, the recording will be sent to this company. They manually check those comments because they want to get people actual opinion about the games. Right or wrong, it doesn't matter. They want the opinions. So when they receive a proper opinions, they approve the you successfully done the test and you get paid through PayPal, guys. The first test, the qualification test, is unpaid. Even if you fail, you can retake the test and you become a qualified for that become a play tester, guys. Again guys, I will do it myself. This is the first time I'm testing this website. I will gonna do my qualification test. I will gonna do other tests, and how much money I'm gonna make it, I will put it on my YouTube channels. So watch out for that, guys. Again, guys, if you want to learn about how to make money online playing games or other ways, all you need to do is support my channels, like this video, subscribe to my channels. I will try to come up with lots of videos, guys, every single day. Until that, have a good day. See you in the next video, guys.